Okay, today I'm going to be talking to you about three cultures I belong to. The first culture I belong to is the Christian culture. That's the culture I feel like I've been a part of the longest outside of my ethnic heritage and things like that. And it's become central to some of my ideas, beliefs, morals, and way I live my life. So I wanted to put that one first because that's really how everything else falls in line behind this culture. The second culture I'm going to talk about today is one that I'm kind of new to and still learning the ropes to, which has been kind of interesting. Um, it's the running culture. So I've started running races. My goal is to run one race, 5K, 10K, whatever, a month each year. Or each year I've been trying to do that for 2 years now. And some of the things about running have been a little bit harder for me to adapt to. Um, it's a lot of commitment, a lot of pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone for good times and things like that. And it's been really cool for me to put myself outside of my element and observe a culture that is not instinctive for me and that pushes me a little bit outside of my comfort zone. Last but not least is the foodie culture. As I've gotten older, I've always been interested in trying new foods and things like that growing up, but now I've been able to um, moved to an area where there are more restaurants, more things popping up all the time. So it's been fun to get in there, try new foods. And I usually like to go try new ethnic foods as well. So it's really opened me up to things that are not just popular in Southern cuisine, but all around the world. So those are three cultures that are very um, important to me, that are very exciting to me, and some hobbies that I have. Thank you.